and Bochiknot.com. My name is Nicole. In this channel, you will find everything you need to know to begin macrame, whether you are looking to do it as a hobby or you want to get to a more advanced level so that you can create your own designs. You can find everything macrame right here. So in today's tutorial, we'll be doing something super easy. We'll be making macrame earrings in less than 10 minutes. It is perfect for utilizing those scraps that you have left over from other bigger macrame projects. And it doesn't take much cord to make a pair of earrings. So the design I have for you today only uses one knot, and that is the double half hitch knot. I use embroidery string to tie the double half hitch knots. So the tricky part of using such thin string is tying the double half hitch knot. But with some practice, it should come quicker. I use 3mm cord for the tassels on my earrings, and then, like I said before, I use embroidery string to tie the double half hitch knots to secure the tassels. You guys can mix and match the color of the tassels if you like, or use different colors for the double half hitch knots as well. It's up to you. You can also make another row of double half hitch knots if you'd like, so that you have a thicker part in the middle. There are many different variations and ways you can mix and match these tassel earrings. I'd love to see what you guys come up with and what other variations or designs that you might come across. So if you do decide to make your own earrings, be sure to take a picture and tag me on Instagram at Bochiknot. Let me know what you guys thought of today's tutorial, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. I do have an exciting video that I'll be uploading onto Patreon this week. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys next week.
Hi everyone, I'll be showing you guys today how to make one macrame earring, and then you can just repeat all the steps in this tutorial and make the second one so that you have a pair. Start by taking a few of the scraps that are about 3 to 5 inches long and pull them through the hoop. Now that we have 3 on there, we're going to use that embroidery string and start making the double half hitch knots. So taking the embroidery string on one end, and on the first tassel, we're going to make a double half hitch knot. Then we will continue with the next tassel using that same string. And then you'll continue to do the same with the next few tassels until you've reached the end of the 6th tassel. Once you're done, we will make another row of double half hitch knots, starting from the right side all the way back to the left side, the opposite of what you just did. To secure the earring, turn it upside down and tie both ends using a double overhand knot. Now for the final touches, we are just going to cut off the ends of the embroidery string, as well as cut the fringe to your desired length. And here you have your macrame earring. Repeat all the steps one more time, and you'll have your Boho-Chic pair of macrame earrings. Thanks, and I'll see you guys next time.